Hello everyone, welcome back to our n8n automation series. So today we are going to step into something even more powerful, that is advanced technical nodes in n8n. These nodes give us the flexibility to perform complex operations like running the code, managing loops, transforming data dynamically, and connecting workflows together. So let's dive in and explore these advanced tools step by step with clear explanations and easy examples so you can try out right away. So first of all, we will see what is function node. So it is the most powerful tool in n8n. It allows you to write JavaScript directly inside the workflow. For example, if you receive a list of usernames and want them all in uppercase, so you can use this short script. The function node gives you total control over data logic and custom formatting, just like a mini code editor inside your workflow. And also, we have already discussed this function node a lot of time in our previous videos. So again, I will just for your kind information, I will again explain this. That how it works. Otherwise, it's very easy. The more deeper you will go, the more advanced knowledge you will get about each and every node. For today, I will explain you what how the function node actually exactly work. So just keep watch till the end. Then we will going to see the next node, that is function item node. So it is also the one of the most important, and also this is the smaller version of uh, function node that we previously discussed. And instead of dealing with the entire list, it process one item at a time. For example, you can ensure all emails are lowercase before sending them to a database. It's simple, clean, and prevents mistake during data transformation. Basically, I would like to say that function item node is basically more uh, convenient than function node when it comes to done the task very efficiently. There is each input is equal to one output format that. Wherever your one input is correctly regarded as the output, then it will take the next process. Otherwise, they will still going to stuck into that particular thing, and you have to deal with the error in order to move to the next one. So that's why a lot of programmers who are creating an n8n workflow basically prefer the function item node, and that is already we have discussed a lot of time. Maybe we have used a different name, as n8n shows a different name for it. So we will again going to I'm going to show you. Now we will going to see the code node. The code node is like an upgraded version of the function node. The function item node was the smaller version, and this is the upgraded, that is the modified version of uh, that is the what function node. And it supports unsynchronized operations, meaning you can call external APIs, wait for response, and then return data all inside one node. This makes it the ideal for integrating custom APIs or advanced automation logic. Now we are going to see the execute workflow node, that is also known as modular automation. And finally, it helps to if it helps us to break the complex automation into smaller and reusable parts. Also, for example, if you imagine that you have a data cleanup process in you use in multiple projects, instead of copying it, you can call it directly using this node. This modular design keeps your n8n space neat and very scalable. And we are going to now see a live demo for it. So let's move to the screen. Here, first of all, I will add a trigger node. Then here I will add the set. And basically, this is the function item node that already we discussed here. Now I'm pretty sure that you already have been familiar with this node, that here you can add a lot of different number of uh, values. Again, I will click on add field. Let's say here last name, and here I will type root. Uh, let's say here I will type. Here I will change for number. Here I will type um, Joe root, and basically it's a cricketer. So here I will take the number of matches he has played. Let's say 256 matches in international cricket. Again, I will add mm, international runs he had created. That is also in number form, and he has scored, let's say, more than 20,000 runs. So let's say 20,677 runs. And let's execute it. So here you can see the name is Joe Root, a cricketer from England, and here he had scored 20,677 runs, and also he had played 256 international match for this country. So this is the way you can simply write. Here you can see output in different forms. Here it shows in a simple that is the variable form, here tabular form, and here the curly braces, that is the code form, JSON form. So here this was the function item node, and also we have already discussed the function node. As we have already used the code, and here I will type code. So here we can see our code run successfully. Let's see the execution part. So here it's showing basically the number of matches, the message, the player undefined scored undefined runs into 56. So basically here they didn't has taken the average runs per match and also the player name, but they has taken the matches. So basically, the more you will dive into it more deeper, then you will get to know about how it works. So this was the function and function node. And that wraps up our session on advanced technical nodes in n8n. We explored function, function item, code, and execute workflow nodes, each giving us a new level of control and customization. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to try these nodes on your own n8n workspace. So really see their magic in action. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.